Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Medicare provider number. First, you'll need to create a CMS account, which serves as your gateway for managing Medicare enrollment and accessing vital resources. Next, secure your National Provider Identifier, or NPI. This unique 10-digit identification number is essential for all healthcare providers and is a mandatory prerequisite before you can proceed with your Medicare application. Ensure these initial steps are completed accurately to set a strong foundation for your enrollment. Once you have your NPI, you'll choose your application method. The Provider Enrollment, Chain, and Ownership System, or PECOS, is the recommended online portal, offering a faster and more streamlined process. However, you can also submit a paper application using the relevant CMS 855 form. For individuals, that's typically Form 855I, and for group practices, it's Form 855B. Select the method that best suits your needs. Preparing your documentation is a critical step. You'll need to gather all identity documents, professional licenses, and any relevant certifications. If you are employed, a letter of support from your employer, explaining your need for Medicare access, is often required. Be aware that there is an application fee of $730, which can be paid conveniently online through PECOS or with your paper submission. Accuracy here prevents significant delays. After submission, the processing time for a Medicare provider number generally ranges from 60 to 90 days. However, please note that incomplete applications or high volumes at your Medicare administrative contractor can cause delays, sometimes extending the wait by weeks or even months. Remember, you must secure a unique provider number for every practice location and each profession you intend to bill under. Ensure all details are correct to avoid any setbacks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.